What's the meaning of anemic? Anemic. 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 Anemic.
The term anemic refers to a condition wherein a person lacks enough red blood cells or hemoglobin in their blood. Hemoglobin is a protein that carries oxygen throughout the body. Without enough red blood cells or hemoglobin, the body becomes deprived of oxygen, resulting in fatigue, weakness, and shortness of breath. Anemia can be caused by various factors, including nutritional deficiencies, genetic disorders, chronic diseases, and certain medications. Treatment for anemia typically involves identifying and addressing the underlying cause, as well as supplementing with iron, vitamin B12, or other nutrients as needed.